Hi, my name is Kate from the Customer Success team at Vevox, and today I'm going to show you how you can generate an authentication code. So if you always use SSO when you're logging into your dashboard, you'll need an authentication code when you're then logging into our apps. So those being our Teams, PowerPoint and Zoom apps. Or alternatively, if you are an education customer and you would normally log in to Vevox via your LTI, so that being Canva, Moodle or Blackboard, you will also require the authentication code when logging in to our apps. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so you want to start off by just making sure that you are signed into your Vevox account in your browser. And then you just want to head over to Profile Settings in the navigation menu on the left hand side. And then what you're looking for is where it says Vevox Add-in Authentication, and you're just going to hit Generate Code here to the right of that, and you'll see it has then generated this code for me that I then just want to hit Copy here to copy that onto my clipboard. So from here I'm then just going to go on over to my app. So here I'm just using the PowerPoint add-in, but it will look pretty much the same as to whether you are using our Teams or Zoom add-in as well. So once you've opened the add-in, you just want to click Get Started, and then you'll see the login window loading. You just want to go and click on I have an authentication code, and you want to then just paste that authentication code that you've just copied in that box here and hit Continue. You'll see it has then just logged you straight into your account, and I can now see all of my sessions showing here. So thank you very much for watching. I hope that has helped you, and don't forget to check out our other really helpful guides that we have on YouTube and also on our help site. Thank you very much. Bye.